Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Vercel, Netlify and Heroku. Which hosting platform is best for your project in 2025? Here's the full breakdown under this video. So let's talk about the Vercel first. It is actually built for Next.js but supports a React, Split, Vue and a Vue, ultra-fast CDN, edge functions and automatic deploys, one of its specialties, and perfect for static plus serverless hybrid sites. So great Git integration, generous free tier, and it is best for front-end developers or devs and startups using modern JS stacks. Now let's talk about the Netlify. So Netlify supports all static site generators like Astro, Hugo and Gatsby. Also, it is built in CI or CD, forms, identity, edge functions, and its UI is clean, easier for beginners. Free tier is solid, but functional limits are tighter than Vercel. So best for Jamstack sites, quick MVPs, no backend needed. Now let's talk about the Heroku. Heroku focuses on backend hosting for Node, Ruby, Python, PHP. Handles long-running processes, databases, and cron jobs. No longer has free tier as of late 2023. So slower for modern front-end workflows. So best for backend APIs, monolithic apps, or server-side apps. So you should choose Vercel if for high-performance JS applications or apps, and you should go with Netlify for static or Jamstack builds. And if you want to use Heroku, so you will get the database driven and backend heavy apps. So that's pretty much all things. Hope you found this video helpful, and let us know which one you are going to choose in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.